Welcome back, guys. Let's double check SEI USDT trading pair with my customer request. Just quick updates. So I think we already bottom in October 2025. I hope. Locally, we can retest again the buy line. Honestly, I don't think so. We will retest, but it's possible. If we will retest at this current moment, if you, for example, don't want to buy at 12.13, the next support level will be like round number 004. So this is on the daily time frame. 12-hour time frame, we bounced from the buy line on 12 time frame November 21, and the buy line on 12-hour time frame at this current moment is 8.32. So everything depends of your time frame, what are you working with, and invest with. Globally, of course, guys, we track this chart. It's initiation accumulation pump model. So I track SEI since August 23. This model playing out perfectly well, and we rejected perfectly well at 38 level by FIB. So I hope, guys, we will not drop again to the best zone to buy again. So this is it, but it's possible. So for example, if you already formed the portfolio, if you don't worry about your portfolio and you just look at some additional token added in, so you can just add alerts to 8 cents 86, 8 cents 01. In this range, you can accumulate it again. But honestly, I hope and I think this drop on Donald Trump dump, it was the main black swan of this cycle, because we dumped it like 234%, and now we closed by the way, the targets were to fix profit. First of all, I would like to show you here. This is a 19 and 20.99. It's a time to fix a profit. Also this liquidity pool. All right. Also, I think we already formed the enough correction, because we come back and close. It's a weekly time frame. We come back and close over the 61 level by FIB. So once again, guys, the accumulation zone for SEI can be or at current prices, if we hold the line now, or 10, 28, 9, and 8. So you can add 3 limit orders and buying step by step. I don't think so we're going to drop on the 6 cents 83. But of course, guys, everything is possible in crypto. We trade so underrated on the fundamental value, because fundamental value of the SEI now it's 1551. About we got a monthly gap, so it's anyway sooner or later we will come back and close this gap. So it's 2017 and 2653. So that direction can be or from this correction bounce and to the monthly gap and 100 EMA. After that, it's not enough data yet for 200 EMA weekly time frame, or we can skyrocket from this current prices to test 20, 50, 100 EMAs. So I hope this correction is already enough to fill this week. So this is my take. Take profit line, guys, at this current moment. It was the last time when I posted the video, it was the November 24 November 2025, 45.76. That's why I highly recommend you use this set, just add alerts, because the lines are dynamic. And here the take profit line at this current moment, it's like 4 cents down, 41.20. So you can adjust it and add alerts to this levels and track it. Let's add alerts to take profit line, local ones for swing trades. Take profit line on the daily time frame. It's exactly there. We can pass the downtrend line first take. We can retest 200 EMA on the daily and the test of the monthly favorable gap. That's why, the more reasons we see why this level like a magnet, the more chances we get to reach that level. And now it's take profit line, 20 cents. Also, it's a round number, psychological target, monthly gap, take profit line, and 200 EMA on a daily time frame. So for me, it's more than enough a reason to move higher from this current prices. After that, form something like this one maybe and go up. Maybe we'll not retest this downtrend line, so deep. We can go higher. It's hard to say, will we see the new all-time high or not, guys? Let's focus only now on local zones for, say, let's hide this one, ADZ direction. It's neutral zone. So it's not a distribution, not a accumulation. So based on ADZ, it's hard to say. On the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, it's accumulation. So yes, it's good. The last time, guys, for say when we trade in this type of accumulation zone, it was here, April 25. We performed from, let me check, 13 cents to 38. And now we almost at the same level by price and the same accumulation based on ADZ indicator. So technically, it's more bullish than bearish. 12 time frame, also here. It was the accumulation, we bounced it. Now it's like around accumulation, but without any signals. Some signals was here during the second part of the December 15 till December 26, we've been in accumulation and pump. Now, nothing. So guys, I'm more about the continuation. But all eyes now on the Donald Trump, on the geopolitics. Yes, it's kind of strange why the crypto trader have to watch all the time and track the geopolitical news. But it's institutional world where every single macro news, macro event affect the prices of BTC reacts, altcoins react. So based on the market mode indicator, guys, we are just in positive after the capitulation. A weekly time frame, it's capitulation. So the last time also here, it was capitulation March, April 75. We performed at that time approximately like 200%. So if now we will perform 200, yes, it will be almost the same levels. So we're in capitulation zone. So I'm more about the upside move for SEI and many other altcoins. Money power. Money in was 2 weeks. Money inflow was in November. Some whales accumulated at 1524, 1272. So in average, the entry can be like 14 cents, for example. That's why it makes sense at 28 cents at this month about the fulfill of monthly gap. Withdraw initial deposit, because I think that, guys, will fix the profit. Let's add alert to money outflow on the weekly time frame. Now, locally, the whales also fix the profit here. It was a money in, step by step. Money in, bounce. Money in, bounce, tiny one. Money in, 1-2 days money in. We bounced it from 10 cents to 13. A lot of RSI bullish divergence. Take a look. Since October 17, we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 RSI bullish divergence. It's triangle up, and the 1, 2, 3 MACD bullish divergence. So it's not a bearish metrics. Now the locally 1, 2, 3 days in a row it was a money outflow, and I hope we're gonna hold the line. If, of course, this is like a still downtrend structure, like lower low and lower high. But if it was a bottom, right? I hope it was a bottom, and here where we can stop. So this was the last impulse. Now locally on a daily, it was a impulse. December 26 reached 1761. Now we hold the line at 0.5. So the futures trades make sense. Try to open here, and the stop loss like 8% was the second leverage with the target. So 8% was second leverage against the 250. It can be pretty good trade. I'm gonna add alert to 0.61 low by Fib of this local one. This one, add alerts. I'm gonna track it. So maybe at this point I will open the futures trade. The best, of course, entry it can be around here, of course, under this liquidity pool, but from the order block, So this is like a daily order block. This one. Let's mark it order block. So from that order block, of course, it will be much more better entry. We can reduce the stop loss like 6% with second leverage, and the risk reward can be 6 against 286. Based on take profit indicator, I showed you trade on. Trade on, we saw here buy, bounce, buy, bounce. Now at the bottom, no signal to buy again, but recommendation close position. 12 time frame, it's let's add alert to take profit from the sales. This one, take profit. So the last one signal was December 19, buy, recommendation close position, take profit from that swing trade, sell, drop. Now I wait the take profit from the sell, and I will start looking the maybe futures trade for SEI around here. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write in the comment what you think about SEI. If you like to trade my customer care, I will show it in this video. Use right medium. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.